What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today I'm going to buy the Stradman's Shelby Raptor.
Sorry, Chan. I already bought it.
What the?
Let's freaking go.
You have owned that Jeep Gladiator for a couple years now, right?
Couple years.
Maybe we'll show a picture of it. Woo! Woo! Why have you decided to sell that and upgrade to the Raptor? Or is it an upgrade?
It's an upgrade. It'll be fun. Love the Jeep. It's honestly kind of tears my heart to get rid of it, but it'll be fun to have the Raptor. Off-roading is like my favorite thing in the world, and the Shelby, especially the Shelby Baja Raptor, is kind of like the ultimate off-roading everything. So it'll be fun to tear it up. A little while back, we went to the dunes with Chandler, and I don't think we ever posted anything about this, but we went to the dunes and had Chan's Raptor against my Jeep, and I wasn't gonna say it to Chandler back then, but his Raptor actually it was close, but it definitely kind of dominated my Jeep that day. So since then, I've kind of wanted a Raptor just to be able to tear it up. And since Chan has a Raptor too, I figured it'd be fun to get one level up and get the Shelby Raptor, just so we can tear it up and have a bunch of fun with it.
So you said something about your Raptor being Chandler's Raptor's daddy.
Yes.
Chandler's not with us in the car, obviously.
Yeah, he can't really defend himself right now.
He's taking care of his family, so yeah, any cheap shots you want to get in, now's the time.
Yeah, no, Chan, the Raptor, the Shelby is for sure going to be your Rappy's daddy, so you might need to upgrade soon.
Chandler does need to upgrade. He talked about that in the Stradman video. He said he's going to buy something cool. Also, we have all three Myers brothers in the car. This is Andrew back there. So I'm the oldest. I just turned the right old age of 30, which, to be honest with you guys, that was a hard one for me. I did not like turning 30. I've always been like the young, funny guy, you know, the young, funny, successful guy. And now it's like, oh, you're the 30-year-old. You should be kind of successful and funny. But it's good. And then we've got Ryan. Ryan's 24. And we have Andrew, who is 21. And I also have a sister who is cooler and better than all these guys.
Is he good at these?
I don't think he's done them in a while.
I haven't done it in probably 3 years.
Last time I saw it.
You can't see that.
Like and subscribe.
You're financing the Raptor. Why did you decide to finance it instead of buying it, or what's kind of your thought process there?
So right now, obviously with interest rates being super low, I'm running away with a 2.29 interest rate on it, which kind of is free money for the next few years with the Raptor, as long as we're keeping it. And I do plan to, I'm looking right now, but the plan is to hopefully buy a few more doors between now and next summer when we get out knocking again. You know, hopefully boost my portfolio a lot more. And I'd much rather have the cash to put down on properties than outright own the Shelby right now. So that's kind of the goal.
Yeah, if you can borrow money at under 3%, that's a steal. Where's Drew at?
That's the joke, because we're waiting on him.
We're always waiting on
doing
Drew.
his hair.
Andrew gets hangrier than any
What the heck?
other human I know. Who is this kid? Good for you, Drew.
I'm trying to gain 10 pounds.
We were just talking about how hangry you get.
Garrett's good old Yogi never eats, so.
I like to barbecue. A lot of you guys might not know that. Look up smokin_yogis on Instagram. It's a barbecue page that I used to run. I like to eat all my calories at once, but then I'll just gorge myself on a big old meal and I'll really enjoy it. So these guys have a hard time with that schedule. So kind of a trend here. You bought your current house without seeing it in person.
I did.
And now you're buying a truck without ever having seen it.
Yeah, we'll
And you're actually
House is
buying
good.
it because the check is written. The money has been withdrawn from your account.
Not really any backing out at this point. Hopefully it's cool.
Whoa.
But it looks pretty beast. I'm not right next to the Bugatti.
Wow, look at this lineup today.
What's going on? Oscar's ticked. Oscar!
Because you're buying one of his vehicles.
Shoot, Oscar! Oscar, you can come visit, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay.
Please come visit.
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Good to see you, man.
You too. Sheesh. I don't think I've ever actually seen it.
Yeah, and the truck looks incredible.
Yeah, it's sad to see it
It's a
go.
sick truck.
It really is.
I'm bummed because I have a Gladiator right now too.
Okay, nice.
That
You're actually the reason he bought the Gladiator.
you are the
Oh,
reason
really?
I bought the Gladiator.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're selling the Gladiator now?
I am potentially.
I'm probably buying a
Garrett.
Gladiator for my wife. So this is my wife's car.
I'm excited though. It'll be fun.
Oh yeah.
The Jeep does good in the dunes, but I'm sure this will do even better.
Have you been in Chandler's Raptor, right?
I've been in Chan's Raptor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And Chan's Raptor kind of wrecked my Jeep in the dunes.
Yeah, for sure.
It is
That's right.
good.
The dunes are like right next to you guys.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we gotta get you up there.
Yeah, for sure.
Go
in there. Oh my god.
We'll take him with us.
Spend some time
Gosh.
detailing this Raptor.
You guys are too good.
Oh, yeah, good job, dude.
That is rowdy. Holy crap.
Yeah,
Oh, my
so as far as like the difference between just a normal Raptor and the Shelby, obviously like the interior, it has like the custom seats that are kind of cool with the red accents and everything.
Yeah. What's the, don't they modify the engine too? Quite a bit?
Yeah,
I guess
so
it's
this
525
has
horsepower now.
525. A factory Raptor has 450.
Okay.
So 75 more horsepower. It's not like like it's still a twin turbo V6.
Yeah.
So it's still the basic engine and everything. But there's a bunch of upgrades. Well, my favorite upgrade is the hood though.
It looks
it has this
mean.
extra like, 3 inches or whatever.
Yeah.
Because the normal Raptor just drops down like
Yeah.
this. I think that's super
It
dope
just
looking.
makes it look mean.
Yeah, so it's a tune. I have the Velocity AP exhaust on the too. Doesn't sound that incredible because I think it's a V6.
Yeah.
Like it just can't sound that great.
But it's rowdy.
But all the bumpers integrated are super cool.
mean.
I love how
There's
it
so
looks
many
all
light
factory.
bars.
Yeah. The thing is, you can wrap over that white.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, and then
Oh.
you can still leave that PPF, wrap over it,
Oh.
and then
Interesting.
unwrap
Then you
it
just have
in a
double
couple
PPF.
Oh,
years.
see, that'd be
Yeah.
cool.
No, it's
Can't ever be too safe.
yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
no.
That's the nice thing about PPF. It's 3 times thicker than vinyl.
Wow.
And so it really protects the paint. Whereas vinyl, like it does, but
It can also scratch through.
yeah, it doesn't protect as much.
Yeah.
We're all buddies of Chandler. You guys know Chandler. I just bought his Ferrari 458. It's the craziest sequence. I sell cars to Chandler. I buy cars back from Chandler, and then Chandler's buddies buy cars from me. So Ryan, first off, congratulations
Thank you.
on your 2008 Bugatti Veyron.
I'm
Didn't
freaking
expect-
jazzed, baby.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like all the vehicles I have right now, I don't have anything I want to sell.
You're keeping
Like
all
I
these
don't
ones.
really want to sell the Raptor, but I bought the TRX, so it's dumb to have the both of them.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't make sense.
How's the Urus? Is that how you
It's
pronounce
sick.
that?
The main issue with it is that I'm not putting Oscar in it. Otherwise, I would daily that, and I wouldn't even have the TRX.
Yeah.
Honestly, the TRX is for Oscar because it's so sick. I can't put Oscar in it.
Yeah.
You know. And the back seats are super cool because they're bucket seats with the TVs. The problem with the TVs, you really can't do anything with them at all. Like they're
They just are stuck there.
no, look, I mean, it's like a Samsung. There's nothing fun you can do with them. They're kind of, it's not like Tesla. Like if this was a Tesla computer and you had all the games and everything, it'd be really cool, yeah. But there's not much you can do with it. They're a little bit expensive for like what you get.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's,
top dollar for. It doesn't
you're paying
look-
a lot for
That.
that right there, you know. And yeah, to unwrap it is effectively, it's similar to just like a vinyl wrap. You just heat it
How
up
hard
and it
is
just
it
peels
to
off.
unwrap a vinyl wrap? Because I was gonna unwrap his Jeep Gladiator for my wife.
Oh, okay.
So it's just white.
Yeah.
Is it pretty toff?
They wrap the
Yes
door
and no.
jambs.
It depends on who wrapped it. It depends a lot on the vinyl as well, because some vinyl's really good, some vinyl's really, really bad. Like if you got really cheap vinyl, it could be harder. And then heat. Like if it's hot outside, it's gonna make it a lot easier. It also depends on when they installed it, like how aggressively did they install it. So I unwrapped a Nissan GTR, and the shop that wrapped it, they took every single body panel off and they tucked it super deep.
Oh,
so the
so
only
then
way
you
to
kinda
unwrap
have
it was
to-
to like basically
everything
tear
off.
apart the car. So like with the Veyron, when I had Clayton do it, I didn't want him tearing apart anything because like you break one clip, it's like a fortune. So I was like, don't do that whatsoever. And so unwrapping it is also really easy because nothing's
Yeah.
tucked. Yeah, it just peels right off. But on a cold day, it's a lot harder.
Yeah.
Whereas
Almost like
like
heat
when
up a
it's
shop or
95 degrees outside in the summer, it's way easier.
That makes sense.
Or if you have a heat gun, that helps as well.
Yeah.
But it's like,
we have a heat gun.
it's a process. Like your fingertips get all raw and everything. Like if you have a couple buddies, you know, like
That's
I
the way to
don't know
do
if you
it.
have a couple brothers, maybe.
Couple brothers?
And like, because then
We
you
could try
tag
it.
team it. It's so much easier when you tag team it.
I'm
We
gonna
actually
do it.
started unwrapping the Ferrari.
Did you?
Yeah, because we're starting the wide body build already,
Sick.
so we have to unwrap
Have
it,
to.
obviously. Yeah.
What color are you gonna do that one after?
So I
Is
want
it
to paint.
black
I want to
underneath?
paint it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
So it's
right, you said
black.
that.
I haven't figured it out.
Something
We're gonna
cool.
paint it the end of November, but I haven't figured out the color.
Kind of
That'll be
exciting.
awesome.
So the wide body kits, because they kind of throw off the geometry a little bit, They make them not as nice to drive on the highway. That's the main
sense.
thing. Like around town, you might not notice it as much. Jumping might be better, off-road might be better. And I also felt like, I mean, I see some wide body Raptors driving around and they do look pretty sick. So I toyed with the idea, but
It'd be cool.
I also wanted it to blend in.
Yeah.
So if I wide bodied it, like it would get more attention. Yeah,
more.
get way more attention. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it has the Velocity AP exhaust.
Okay, sick.
So it has the exhaust
yeah.
tips are factory actually. Those are the factory like Shelby exhaust tips. But it does have the exhaust.
That's cool.
And that's what that little remote was for. That's to like open and close it. The thing is like you really don't notice much of a difference between the two.
Not really.
But it definitely sounds better than a standard Raptor with the V6.
Which is cool.
Yeah, there's not many vehicles that light up quite like this.
Yeah.
Obviously because they're in the day.
Wow.
They're super bright.
We're for sure gonna have to go on a night ride.
At night, it is
sure.
insane. Like you literally can light up just
Wow.
everything.
That's fun.
Just if you look at them for too long, you'll blind
It'll
yourself.
blind ya?
But they look so sick.
That is.
I'm truly gonna miss this truck so much. Of course, immediately Ryan puts on the light bars. When you jump it, don't destroy it. Also,
not to.
Ryan suggested maybe he's gonna 6x6 it. Maybe.
I appreciate you guys.
Safe travels, man. Oh, I love that truck. I miss it so much. Shelby.
This is insane. Holy freaking crap. Wait, listen to this. You ready? I'm gonna open the valves, you guys. Watch this. Hopefully these neighbors don't get mad. Hold on, let's roll these down. Listen to this. That is so cool. I'm in love with it. The light bars are way sick too. I think we are gonna have to keep the matte white and the purple on it for a little while anyways too though. Gotta keep the brand for a bit, but we'll see, maybe military green. Oh shoot, here's the cop. Let's slow down. School zone? This cop's in a truck. Think he wants to race? We could race him. Guys, there's a cop following me right now. I've been in this truck for about 60 seconds, so let's pray. I think we're good. So far, lights have not turned on. I am going the speed limit.
Are your light bars on still?
25. They are on, yep. We're gonna shut those off. All right. We did avoid the cop, it's looking like, so we are good. Gosh, I'm gonna close the, oh, that was closed. I thought that the valves were still open and that's why it's loud. He was saying it was quiet. This is actually kind of loud. And he left me the coolest Stradman Oscar hangy thing. That's how you know it's real. Holy freaking crap, you guys. I am so hyped. Just so you know, this is the Baja edition. So if I want to go racing and blow out 3 tires, there's a spare underneath and 2 spares in the bed of the truck. So we can go pretty hard in this thing and still have fun. So we're back here, about ready to pull back up to the Stradman's house. Turns out we forgot to get the title from him. So here we are again, round 2, going to get the title so I can actually own this baby. Just like we're selling pest control, you know? Hey, what's up, brother?
Sorry, bro. I already cashed the check.
That's all right.
the truck,
We're
I'm
actually
just gonna keep the
we're
title.
actually just selling pest control out here. So
I can actually use some. There we go. Perfect.
now we're talking.
I can't believe we forgot. Like,
Oh no, we were at Raising Cane's and I was like, oh shoot.
All right, guys, this is an absolutely beautiful truck, and I am so jealous that I didn't get to be a part of the whole experience today, but right, guy, I'm pumped for you.
We're ready.
between you and Garrett, you're taking over the channel, so I don't even have to show up to work anymore.
We're
But
just trying to be as cool as you.
well, you succeeded and then some. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and look forward to the future videos where we're going to go and jump Ryan's brand new Shelby Raptor.
Let's do it.
Let's go. I thought you were gonna say no way, but you're down. All right, see you guys.